This right here is an update video. I'll be using the Toptez TS630 wood moisture meter set on mode B because I'm going to test the poplar, I'm going to test the oak, and I'm going to test the cherry as far as what the moisture content is. There's 4 rows here. I'm going to take some from each row. A lot of people split it and then test it, but this wood has already been split. I'm not going to go on the inside because I'm pretty sure most of this wood is already dry. So you guys just stay tuned. This is poplar. It's at 10.8% moisture. And that thing is in there really, really good. And it's really dry. I'm gonna go down here even lower in the pile. I pulled that from the middle of the stack, 11.8, ready to burn. People say, well, poplar's not really a good firewood. Yes, it is. Anyway, now I'm on to this oak in the second row. This is oak out of the second row, and it's not been hot, but that's 12.5. This is some of the newer stuff that I put in. 19.1. That's even burnable. That's 22.4. But like I said, a few good days in this hot weather, and that'll be ready to burn. I do things the way I do it because I have limited time. Now over here is my cherry that I just recently split. Too young. 20.7. And I do this just to show y'all my system. got this wood a while back, and I'm a one-man show, and I take my time and do what I do. But when that wood is stacked like that, that's your money. You know, that's probably a third of a cord, another third of a cord, and 2/2 of a cord of already processed wood. It's the 31st of March and it's already ready to sell or whatever, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna let it sit there the whole rest of the summer, and it'll be prime time by then. But right now, I got this over here to deal with. I'm gonna try to get my splitter started and go ahead and put in work over here. But that's how I do things. I do it one little step at a time. But I'm gonna stop this video and start another one.